Before setting and using the oscilloscope's timeout trigger function properly, understand the conditions under which the timeout triggers when the time interval from the rising edge of the input signal through the trigger level to the end of the adjacent falling edge through the trigger level is greater than the set timeout time. We connected the measured signal to the oscilloscope. Press the Trig menu button on the front panel to enter the trigger settings menu and select the timeout trigger type. The source selects the CH1 channel. Edge types can choose between rising and falling edges. Rising edge, start timing at the rising edge of the input signal through the trigger level. Falling edge, start timing at the falling edge of the input signal through the trigger level. Set an appropriate timeout period as needed. Manual cursor measurement is required here for observation. Let's adjust the horizontal time base of the waveform. Click Cursors button to select manual measurement. B. Y moving the trigger level position. X moves to the rising edge. BX moves to the falling edge. And the value of BXAX is the time interval at which the trigger level ends. We can see that the time interval is greater than the set timeout time, and the signal can be triggered stably. Increasing the timeout period to the end of the trigger level, the signal cannot be triggered stably.